I can't get her out of my mind. Wow, I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing back rides.
If you're looking for views, location, and size, this residence has it all.
By no means average, just someone she's got to have that.
This residence is filled with customized finishes in every detail, from a brand new kitchen to every single decoration, focused on ocean views all day.
I got to bag it up, yeah. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up, yeah. I like the way you work it.
Wake up to the most amazing ocean views you can imagine.
Got to get down.
Here you have a massive wraparound terrace focusing on ocean views and giving you the best indoor and outdoor living you can imagine.